Hello students, today we discuss management information system which is used in the organization. Now we have to start to discuss the management information system. Management information system contains three words, that is the management, information and system. One by one we have to discuss these three words. First, management. Management is the effective utilization of human and material resources to achieve the enterprise objective. Management is primarily associated with decision-making process involving people, strategies, policies, programs and resources. Now the second word, information. Management information system is designed for the generating information in organization. Information is a process form of data. Information in management information system means the process data that helps the management in planning, controlling and operations. The next, system. A system is a combination of two or more interrelated components which work together to achieve a common goal. Management information system is a system. It contains number of interrelated components which work together and generate information. That is the common goal. Now, information system. An information system is an organized combination of people, hardware, software, communication network and data resources that collects, transforms and disseminate in an organization. Now we have to discuss what is MIS. As already discussed, management information system is a system which is designed for generating information. Management information system where data is the input which is processed to provide output in the form of information reports and summaries. Management information system is important technique for providing quick information to management. This information will be used for taking decisions by the managers. Management information system is basically reporting tool. Its purpose to provide all necessary information to the managers and supervisors who have working in different level. It provides timely, accurate and efficient information. Now we have to discuss the definition of management information system. A formal method of collecting timely information in a presentable form in order to facilitate effective decision making and implementation in order to carry out organizational operations for the purpose of achieving the organizational goal. Now we have to discuss the characteristics of MIS. First characteristic, that is the management oriented. As we discuss, the purpose or objective of management information system is to generate information which is used by the all levels of management. Hence, it should be designed in a such a way so that it can be take care to the information needs of all levels. The second characteristic of MIS, that is the management directed. As management information system is management oriented, it generates information according to the need and requirement of the manager and supervisor. Hence, it should be follow the guidelines from the management. Management directs the establishment and implementation of MIS in the organization. Next characteristic, that is the integrated. management information system is itself a subsystem of the bigger system called the information system. Information system is also part of still further bigger system, that is the business. This management information system integrated all these systems and work together within the organization. Next characteristic of management information system, that is the subsystem. In organization, business is a main system and it contains number of subsystems like information system, production system, marketing system, finance system, HRM system. Information system again having combination of subsystems like office automation system, transaction processing system, management information system, decision support system, executive support system. Next characteristic of management information system, that is the common database. Management information system is used to create information which is used to take various decisions which is generated after the processing of data. This process information are stored at a single place to avoid duplication of data and easily accessibility of data. This common place is called as a database. These databases are easily accessible by all the departmental heads or managers. Next characteristic, future oriented. The information which is generated by MIS are used for taking decision regarding future. It should be designed by keeping in view the future information needs of the organization. Next characteristic, flexible. MIS should be flexible enough. If any kind of change required in future, then it must be allowed to do any change if want in future. Next characteristic, reliable. Management information systems provides information at different level of management to take decisions. Hence, management information system must be reliable, which enhance the user confidence and effectiveness of the system. The information which is generated by management information system, which is used by the manager for taking decisions in organization. That's why the information which is generated, which is a more reliable one. Then next characteristic of management information system, simple or easy to understand. The management information system must be easy to understand. If more easier the system to operate, the better will be the user acceptance. Now we have to discuss the objectives of management information system. Why we have to making the or designing the management information system? What is the objective? What is the goal? What is the purpose of management information system? First objective of management information system, that is the data capturing. MIS capture data from various internal and external sources of organization. For generating information, there is need of data, and which is captured or recorded from internal and external sources of organization. Second objective of management information system, processing of data. The data which is captured are processed and convert into information. Once information are generated, then it is used for taking decisions. Third objective of MIS, storage of information. Management information system are stored generated information as well as the data which is recorded in organization for future use, for taking decisions. Next objective of management information system, retrieval of information. Management information system retrieves information from database as and when required by various users. The information which is stored in a database are retrieved by the users whenever they need. Next objective of management information system, share the information. Management information system provide or share information with the user. Next, significance of management information system or advantages of management information system. First advantage or significance, data can easily be accessed and analyzed without time consuming. Management information system store all the data as well as information at a single place at a common database, due to which whenever any user require any kind of data and information, user will be easily access the data without time consuming. Second significance, decision can be made more quickly and with confidence that the data are both time relevant and accurate. The decisions taken by the managers or supervisors can be taken more quickly and with confidence, because the data which is recorded or captured by management information system and the information which is generated by the management information system will be time relevant and accurate. Next significance, data is available in summarized form which minimize information loading. As we already discussed, management information system is a reporting tool. It processes data and makes a report and generate information in the form of summaries. Once we have to record data or process data and make summarized report, it requires minimum size or space which is easily retrieved or load by the data management information system whenever required by the user. Next significance, improve coordination as all departments are aware of course of action or any change in plan. Data and information are stored at a common place, that is the common database. All the department head or all the department manager are easily access the same data from a same place, due to which coordination between all the department will be more easily and it is fast. Enhance quick, cheap and efficient communication. Data will be stored at a common database, due to which data will be quickly accessed, the cost of storage will be minimum, and we have to easily done the communication. Next significance, 24/7 availability of information. Management information system are available information at any time, that is the 24/7 hour it is available for use. Along with significance, management information system having some limitations. It is a system, it is used by the people, due to that it having some limitations. First limitation, if the management information system is not designed properly according to the information needs of different level of management, it will be of little or no use. All of you know, management information system is designed by the designers. Whenever it is designed, at that time it is not designed according to the requirement of the information need, then the management information system which is designed are no useful. because the information which is generated through such type of management information system which is not proper. Next limitation, if the proper training is not given to the user of the system and they are not aware of its use properly, MIS will be failed. The person, the people, the user who does not having any kind of training regarding how to use the system, as well as it does not aware about the use of that particular system, then MIS will be failed because it does not work properly. User does not having capacity to generate report or information according to need. Next limitation, the objective of management information system to provide information. If the data and information are not correct, it will be of no use. The main purpose of management information system is to generate information, and this information are used by the managers and supervisors for taking decision in organization. If the data which is used for processing information and the information which is processed are not correct, then it is not useful for organization. Next limitation, the quality of MIS output depends upon the quality of input and programs. The efficiency and quality of management information system are depends upon the data which is input for the management information system and information which is generated, as well as the programs which is designed or which is developed for creation of MIS.